Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very, very, very special day. Today is my birthday. Yes. We give God the glory. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. And yeah, I'm so happy I made it to see my 25th birthday. I am 25, guys. Like, I'm gonna take you through what I'm doing today. I'm actually on my way to work. I'm working and I'm in Lagos. I'll give you guys all the information later. There's so much I've been keeping from you guys, but I will update you, trust me, in my upcoming videos. But yes, I'm on my way to work. From work, I'm gonna have lunch with a friend, and from that, I don't know what's happening this evening, but I probably will go out with my friends again. And guess what? Tomorrow something is happening. Cardi B is going to be performing in Lagos. Like, guys, if you don't know, I'm a big Cardi B fan. Follow me on Instagram. You guys will know that I'm a big Cardi B fan. So yeah, that's like my birthday gift to myself, like, so yeah. Anyways, guys, keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, guys, we're almost at 5k. We're getting there. We're almost at 5,000. You know what that will mean? Like, that would be like, you know what, subscribe, like this video. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back at the office now, and this is Elizabeth. First thing in the morning is chicken she's eating. Like, can you imagine? And she got me ice cream. Who gets someone ice cream in the morning? Like, am I not fat enough? Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go for lunch. Like, that's what we're looking forward to. Hey guys, yep, look at my hair. This is my birthday hair. Well, what's your problem? Why are you a hater? Yeah, we're on our way to lunch. Yep, we're going to this. It's popular on Instagram now.
Just Afang.
It's called Just Afang, and it's by Wofi Dada. She's a comedian. What's her name? Pronounce it.
Wofi.
Oh, Wofi. My bad. Yeah, that's where we're going for lunch, and we're taking you guys along. This is birthday lunch. We don't wear makeup to work because we can't be bothered. So if you're expecting to see contour, all of that, not here. All right, guys. Bye. We're heading there. I smell something already. Like, it's smelling tantalizing. Good morning. Good morning. I'm ready to date. Let's waste time.
The cocktails, the drinks.
Okay, we're looking for
let me.
the main dishes.
The main.
But do this come with swallow, or is the soup on its own?
The fisherman. Okay, you can take with swallow or rice.
Okay.
Give me Afang soup. It's not ready.
No, not ready, but you can try another thing. Yeah.
Okay, Edikaiko.
Mm.
Are you? Because the last time I came, I took okra.
Maybe you can take another.
Which other option?
Option. We have white soup. We have egusi. We have edikaiko, atama soup.
Okay, give me Atama.
Okay, atama.
Give me the fisherman soup now.
Fisherman soup for you. What's the swallow?
Pounded yam.
Poundo.
It's poundo. It's not real pounded yam. There's what else again?
Poundo, gari, fufu, semo, wheat, oatmeal.
But the poundo yam, is it ola or ayala?
That's just too weak for me.
I'm saying why the fisherman food when they want it. Did you write it?
Oh, sorry, man. It's supposed to be yeah, but
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Mary. Bye. Fish from here.
Yeah.
How many minutes is it gonna take? 30.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. Come. Is that a calabash? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This one to Cardi.
Is this for her now?
No, this is your fisherman soup.
No, she's the one that ordered. Oh,
Ask for fisherman soup.
This how look alike.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Okay. Hey, woo.
Jesus.
Hey, Willie.
Jesus.
Look at this guy.
Please, can I just take something, please?
Mm-hmm.
Let me wash my hands.
I don't understand. Why are you washing your hands? Like my.
Can I get you a spoon?
No, don't worry. We're using our hand here. We
Enjoy your
Yeah. All right. Is it yummy? Let's look at her food. Can you finish it? Wow. That's it, lot. Guys, I'm about to dig in, washing my hand. Oh, this is delicious. It's so good. You know, we're eating a light snack. Guys, we just finished eating, and how was it? I'll give it a 8/10. It was amazing, only because I had to wait, but it was great. It was amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just packed the rest because I couldn't finish it, like it was a lot. Yeah. You will not believe what just happened. Something just happened right now. Something just happened.
bad.
So we finished eating and we're thinking, okay, this bill will not pass
10,000.
10k. Worst case, and we're two. Split it. Guess how much bill it? We spent 16,000 naira, and they didn't even put the name of the price of the dishes on the menu. Like, isn't that a scam? If you ask me, that's a scam. If I knew the soup was meant to be 8k, why would what am I eating? Fam. And for now, palm oil for us for now, I leak. The food was great, I can't lie, but the price point, nah, man, just a fan. I'm not a fan. Are you a fan? Nah, we just enter Black Bell, looky. Anyways, guys, we're on our way back to the airport. But on our way back to the office, and the road is very bumpy, as you can see. Yeah. I'm back at the office, and I don't think I was able to express myself properly. I don't know why, but I'm thinking about it again, and like spending that kind of amount on food, it doesn't even make sense because it's not Chinese, it's not Thai food. This is food that you get the ingredients here. It's not as if anything is outsourced. Everything was 16,000. My soup alone was 8k. Like, fam, 8k.
For fisherman soup.
It doesn't add up. Then her food too, it's like banga soup. It's called atama, and it was 6,000. Like, and then in the menu there was a part where the food was not even there. Like,
They weren't stating the price.
they were not stating the price, and then the menu was missing. Like, so what we asked for was not there. But we just assumed. My friend said she had been there before. She didn't spend up to 7k, and there were 2 people. So we used that mindset to like go there. It's just sad. Like, it's painful for people that are foreign, big boys and girls. It don't take 60,000 naira. It's a lot of money. Well, we know how much we work for the money, so it's just crazy, and it's unfortunate because I was like looking at the girl's IG, like, oh, she seems real. You know, I was using that vibe to enter there, but unfortunately, I'm sad, but I'm not gonna let this spoil my birthday. You know, we move once bitten is twice shy. My friend said it's a million. It's a million shy. Like never again.
It's not going to happen.
Never. She would have eaten suya, block, other suya, ice cream. Would have had a chill day inside. I spent 10,000 naira minus transport. Whoever is going to just Afang, I wish you the best. You must be a baller. Because I'm not. Yeah. Anyways, guys, don't let me. I'm not going to spoil my vibe. Remove. Alright? Yeah. Your girl is looking cute. Yeah. 25 is not easy. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to go for dinner with my friends. I'm going to take you guys along. I just came back from work, took a shower, did my makeup, and I'm ready to turn up. Whoa. But anyways, so that's it, guys. Do I look cute? Rocking my ponytail. Look at my dress. I got this from Havela Styles on Instagram during Black Friday, and I think it's cute. I was supposed to wait for Cardi B, but I'm like, nah, my birthday is more special than Cardi. Sorry, Cardi. Anyways, guys, see you guys when I get to the location. You say blow it. Guys, I'm almost losing my voice, but yeah, having fun. This is what I look like. 25. Let's do this. So I didn't continue the vlog yesterday because like where I did my birthday was so loud. But yes, I'm ready for Cardi B. Today is Cardi B's concert in Lagos and I'm super excited. If anybody doesn't know, I am a big Cardi B fan, and like I'm just ready to turn up. But I don't feel too good. I feel like I have like sore throat or something, but it is what it is. I'm on my way to go and pick my friend. Her name is Angela. We're going together. Yeah. Guys, we're almost ready. Are we ready? Angela, show them your outfit. Like, we're ready for Cardi B. Like, and we're matching. Like, we are matching. Oh, the light is better here. We're ready for Cardi. Come on, with our sneakers. She was saying that some girls will wear heels, and I'm like, we're going to find them. Let's see. It's Cardi B. You should be comfortable. Anything that's around me. Mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in shoes. Lord only knows how I got it in shoes. I was covered in dollars, now I'm dripping in jewels. A bitch played with my money, bitches hated my guts, now they swear it was cool. Went from making tuna sandwiches to making the news. I started speaking my mind and triple my views. Real bitch, only thing fake is the booze. Get money, go hard, motherfucking
fucking right. Never been a fraud in my motherfucking life. Get money, go hard. Damn fucking tell from the front. I got us behind me. And I put my belly truck on my Versace drive. Say like, money back, money back, money back. Money back, money back, money back. Money back, money back, money back. And my bitches with me pretty too. They look like bronze. And they all bloody case so don't be talking style. These bitches salty, they sodium, they jelly, petroleum. Oh wait, so my tongue got on that. Damn daddy, you find that fall. I'm on, she mad, I'm first, she last. Rob who? My niggas all real. I'm riding his dick, it's a big tall hill. Big fat checks, big large bills. Run off, flip like 10 car wheels. All that bitch, I get bros too. 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I get them in my house, can't do dripping. That was on my wrist, they dripping. That's finality. Cardi B, you know where I'm at. You know where I be. You in the club, get to party. I get paid a fee. I be in another night. Be careful. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you're hurting and bruising? You gon' get the whole world, but is it worth the Not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. No, it's really real if I let you be my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. But every other girl to me is too gassy. Shut them other girls when I let's go.
You don't hear my line. I wanna get married, like her, Steph and Aisha shit, but we more like Tommy and Keisha shit.